Looking for the best bidet attachments, but not sure where to start? I've got you covered. Here is a comprehensive look at the top models out there. Product number 1. Bidet SlimEdge Bidet Attachment for Toilet. Our journey begins with a highly praised unit that sets a massive benchmark for the rest. I am talking about the Bidet SlimEdge Bidet Attachment for Toilet. The build quality here is simply exceptional. It utilizes premium materials to ensure long-lasting durability even under heavy use. It operates with a level of smoothness that genuinely elevates the user experience to entirely new heights. One of my favorite aspects is the sheer simplicity of its interface, brilliantly masking the sophisticated technology underneath. Engineered for ultimate stamina, it effortlessly keeps up with your continuously evolving and demanding everyday needs. It offers high-end performance at a price that stays within your means. Tap the link in the description to see how affordable it is. Backed by over 32,183 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Few options can confidently offer this specific level of comprehensive excellence without draining your savings. Product number 2. Arofa Handheld Toilet Bidet Sprayer for Toilet Adjustable. Progressing further down our list, I find an absolute powerhouse of a device. I am talking about the Arofa Handheld Toilet Bidet Sprayer for Toilet Adjustable. It boasts an incredibly rugged yet sophisticated exterior frame that is built to withstand massive amounts of pressure. Evaluating its day-to-day usability, it acts as a massive productivity booster thanks to its highly intuitive internal mechanics. Beyond the basics, the highly intuitive design makes operating it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. It boasts an incredibly solid track record regarding long-term reliability, actively minimizing the risk of sudden breakdowns. You do not have to break the bank to get your hands on this. Check out the link below to see today's lowest price. Backed by over 26,861 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Few options can confidently offer this specific level of comprehensive excellence without draining your savings. Product number 3. SAMODRA Ultra Slim Hygienic Bidets Attachment for Existing. Up next, I are looking at another brilliant piece of engineering that holds its ground. I am talking about the SAMODRA Ultra Slim Hygienic Bidets Attachment for Existing. What captivated my attention was the exceptionally high-grade materials. It effortlessly radiates durability for your fast-paced lifestyle. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. Navigating its advanced features feels surprisingly natural and completely seamless right from day one. It operates with remarkable stability, easily making it one of the most dependable and stress-free options available. It offers high-end performance at a price that stays within your means. Tap the link in the description to see how affordable it is. Backed by over 20,565 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It phenomenally bridges the gap between premium quality and sensible everyday practicality. Product number 4. BIGCOW Ultra Slim Bidet Attachment for Toilet. Continuing our countdown, I have a highly reliable product that consistently exceeds expectations. I am talking about the BIGCOW Ultra Slim Bidet Attachment for Toilet. The structural integrity is second to none, showcasing a robust frame that feels virtually indestructible in everyday scenarios. Its core engine is highly optimized to provide maximum efficiency, allowing you to achieve professional-grade outcomes. It seamlessly integrates into any modern setup without requiring complex configurations or deeply technical knowledge. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent technical resets. It frequently goes on massive seasonal sales, so I highly recommend tapping the link below to verify the current price. Backed by over 16,641 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Grabbing this option is a foolproof strategy for an instant upgrade, so do not let it slip past you. Product number 5. Brondell Bidet Toilet Seat Non-Electric Swash Ecoseat. For our next highlight, prepare to be amazed by this exceptionally well-built unit. I am talking about the Brondell Bidet Toilet Seat Non-Electric Swash Ecoseat. The physical construction is nothing short of spectacular, perfectly combining aesthetic elegance with industrial strength sturdiness. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. The deeply ergonomic structure actively prevents any physical fatigue, making extremely long usage sessions surprisingly comfortable. It operates with remarkable stability, easily making it one of the most dependable and stress-free options available. The price-to-performance ratio here is mind-blowing. Go ahead and visit the link below to check out the latest live promotions. Backed by over 11,200 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.3 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. That is all for today's roundup. Be sure to click the links below for more details and the best deals. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more reviews.